Hello guys, ever wonder where exactly doctors place your stethoscope when listening to your heart? Well, now let's break down the 5 cardiac auscultation point. Well, it's super simple. So the first one is the aortic valve. Well, the aortic valve that's at the second right intercostal space, just beside the sternum, and then next to the pulmonary valve. It's still on the same level, but it's on the left side. And then we're gonna move slightly down to the third intercostal space. That's the Erb's point. That's where you can hear both S1 and S2 clearly. And then we're going lower to the fourth intercostal space. That's the tricuspid area. And then finally, we're gonna going further down to the fifth intercostal space, right on the mid-clavicular line. That's where you can hear the mitral valve. So that's super easy, right? So now grab your stethoscope and give it a try.